Hi, do you want to learn English for American life? Let's go!
Today we are taking the bus. We are going to town.
I love the bus. It's so big. Me too. I want to sit by the window.
Let's get on the bus. Be careful. All right, up we go. Hold on tight.
Okay, Dad. Watch your steps, sweetie.
Good morning. Well, welcome back to Abwadi.
Wow, cool bus.
Let's find some seats.
Good morning. Welcome aboard. Good morning. 2 adults and 2 kids. Good morning. That'll be $12. Here you go. Thank you. Have a nice day. That will be $4. Please put the money here. Here you go. Thank you. Find a seat and hold on tight.
Thank you, driver.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
All right, team, let's find our seats. Careful on the aisle, kids.
This bus is so cool. I see the park. Are we close?
Almost there, just a bit further. Look, there are empty seats in the back.
Can I sit by the window? Please.
Yes, you can sit by the window. Leo, you sit next to Emma.
Okay. I want to see outside too. Wow, look, the city is going by so fast.
Yeah, this is the best part.
It is, isn't it?
Me too. The adventure begins now. Yay!
Everyone is sitting? Good. The bus is moving now.
Hold on to the seat, kids. The bus can stop suddenly.
Hey, not like this.
Perfect. Just like that.
I'm holding on, Mom. The bus is going so fast. What are those building this ride? Me too. Look. Ha, see my grip? I'm strong. It's so fun. Don't let on tight. Wow, look at all the buildings. Yeah, and the trees are so green. And there's a best coming up. I know. I can't wait to see more. Look, a big building, so tall. Wow, how many floors does it have? Do you think we could go to the top? I see a knock. Oh. I see a red car.
Wow, you have good eyes.
The bus is passing many shops. Look at the bakery.
I see bread and cookies. Yummy. I want a cookie. Can we buy one?
A cookie? We'll see when we get there.
Yay. I hope they have chocolate chip.
Maybe they will. Maybe later. First, we go to town.
Welcome aboard. Please mind the step.
Thank you.
And looks like a busy day.
Yeah, so many people.
Find a seat. We'll be moving shortly. Next stop, Main Street. Please move to the back. More people are getting on. The bus is getting full.
Look, Mom, lady with a baby.
I see, sweetie. That's very exciting.
Can I go say hi?
In a moment, dear. Let's let them settle. Yes, that is a mother with her baby. They need a seat.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please take our seat.
Yes, please sit here. We can stand. Oh, thank you so much. You are very kind. Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. We are happy to help. It's so nice to see that. Of course. Have a great day.
Thanks for letting us have your seats.
Of course. These straps are great for us.
Are you two okay back there?
Yeah, Mom. The bus is like a roller coaster.
Next stop, Town Center. Last stop, everyone off. We are here! Town Center!
So many shops. I see a toy store. Can we go to the toy store? Please, please. Please, please. Can we go to the toy store?
Maybe we can look. But first, let's get off the bus.
All right, everyone, watch your step.
Wow, the town looks so cool.
Hold my hand tight, sweetie.
Okay, Mommy.
Let's go explore. Thank you, driver. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you. See you later.
Bye, bus. Bye, bus.
What a beautiful day for a trip.
Yeah, the bus is going so fast.
It sure is. We're gonna have so much fun.
Bye, Cat Bus.
See you next time. Now, let's review what we learned on the bus.
Let's have a quick quiz.
Question 1. What do you call the person who drives the bus?
Yes, a driver.
Question 2. Where do you sit on the bus? On a chair, on a seat, or on a table?
Correct, on a seat.
Question 3. What do you look through to see outside? A door, a window, or a wall?
Perfect, a window.
You did great! Keep learning English every day. What a beautiful day for a walk!
Look at the bakery. Can we get cookies?
Maybe after our walk, sweetie.
Yay, this is the best day.
Thanks for riding the bus with us today.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I love the bus. Bye-bye. See you on the bus.
Subscribe for more fun English videos.